friends, today we make paper bird. Take a paper. Two sides we will put like this. Then put in like I put like this, so we have to put like this. I make like a triangle, it's a shape. Then we have to put like this. Put the back side and put like this. Put like this. Put back side. Put like this again, and we made. So you have to take a black pen bird wings, bird eyes, yay, it's under in the day. You also make like this. Bye friends.